taste and health. Hello children, taste and health do not always go hand in hand. Sometimes tasty food can be very bad for our health. We should always be careful about what we eat. Let us read about some tasty and healthy food. Idlis come from the southern part of India. They are mainly eaten at breakfast. They are also popular food in Sri Lanka. They are made from a paste made of rice. Idlis are prepared by a process called steaming. Next, we have poha. It is another light food. It is eaten at breakfast or as a snack. It is made from flattened rice, onions and other vegetables. People from different states prepare poha in different ways. Did you know that Palak Paneer is a very healthy dish? It is made from spinach leaves and Indian cottage cheese. It is mainly cooked in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. Do you like eggs? Eggs are cooked in many different ways. We can eat them as breakfast, lunch or dinner. We can boil eggs, poach them, make omelette or use them in a curry. They are an excellent source of energy and vitamins. Finally, we have milk. It is a complete food. It provides energy and many minerals and vitamins. It is used to make paneer, yogurt, buttermilk and many sweets. That's all for now, children. I hope you had fun learning about some healthy and tasty food. I'll see you soon with new concepts. Bye for now.